Hi students, and welcome to your course at Toronto eSchool. I just wanted to explain a few things about lesson 1 that you need to take a look at. So one of the things before you start your course, I wanted to show you something that you might find helpful. Okay, so as an ESL student, there are times we realize that it will be important for you to hear what something sounds like. So in order to do that, what you can do is there are instructions here at the top of your course on how you can use something called text-to-speech, okay? So this is something you can use anytime during your course, and we absolutely encourage you to do this. So this is something that you have text-to-speech available on iPhone or on Android, okay, on your cell phone. So if you have your Toronto eSchool course open on your phone, you can listen to some of the reading to hear what certain things sound like, okay? So this is what this is talking about here, okay? So I'm just going to go down and I'll show you a little bit of what that looks like, okay? So there are instructions here on how you can make it work on your phone, okay? So when you scroll down, okay, so for example, the instructions here are how to make it work on your iPhone, okay? And if you keep going down, you can see how you can set that up on your iPhone. And eventually what you can do is on your iPhone, once it's set up, you can highlight your text and then click speak and it will say it for you, okay? So, and you can also do that on Android if you have an Android cell phone. You can also, okay, if you don't want it to speak, you can even highlight and you can also look up a word if you want to know a definition. Okay, so those are two things that you can do, and especially if you want to know how something is pronounced, how to say it, okay, it's important that this is a tool you can use to help, okay? So that is important. You can use that anytime in the course, that you can use this on your phone, okay? So what you're going to be doing, please go ahead and read what you need to do in the course, but I will just show you quickly what you need to do in terms of the work, okay? So this unit is about essays, so you're going to be learning about essays and how to write an essay. So, and an essay, okay, you can see here, okay, there's a definition of an essay, and what it is, it's used to evaluate an issue through research, okay? That means it's used to, you take up a point of view, okay? Something that you make a main idea, and then you write the rest of the essay to basically prove your idea, okay, in a certain way, okay? And it is organized in a certain way as well. So in this lesson, you're going to be learning about some of the types of essays. So what you'll need to do is that there are a few types of essays written down on this chart. If I scroll down, you'll see them. So you see descriptive, compare and contrast, narrative, persuasive. There's other ones as well. What you need to do for this task is you need to go online and find the definition, find what each of those means, and see if you find any other types of essays and their definitions, okay? So that's the first thing you do, is fill out this chart and look, there's space here for other types of essays you might find, okay? And their definitions go beside, okay? After you finish that, you can check your answers underneath, okay? And then you have your first assignment here, okay? This is the lesson assignment 1. So what's important for every assignment is you're going to have something called success criteria. And those are some tips on, if you follow this, you will be able to do your assignment very well. So it's important for this assignment, you need to read the following essay and answer the questions, and you hand in your work in the Dropbox. Okay, so remember there's 2 places to hand in your work in this course. There's the Dropbox and there's discussions. There's also a Dropbox in this course for your journals, okay? So, but for this assignment, what you need to do is you need to read the essay that's here, okay? And you have some questions that you have to answer after that, okay? So I'm just going to scroll down and you can take a look, okay? So there's some questions underneath. One of the things that you have to do for the first question is that you have to record yourself reading 1 paragraph, okay? So again, that's something that text-to-voice can help you. If you want to hear the pronunciation of some of the words, that can help you. And you can choose whichever paragraph you want to use, okay? I'm just going to clear that. So, and the tips here are very helpful. The success criteria, there are some tips that you can use. So read the essay slowly, practice a few times before recording, read all the questions, answer in full sentences, and check your spelling and grammar, okay? So we're going to scroll down. So this is the essay. It's quite short, okay? So this is it right here. Not that very long, okay? I'm going to scroll down. There's the questions. Now, one of the things that's important, especially as you become stronger in English, you need to work on your spelling and your grammar and your punctuation. And it's very important, especially in essays, to start developing more complicated sentences and to use proper grammar. So there will be some grammar practice in this course as well. And here is a sheet that you can do to start with, okay, over here. So what you will do here is basically all you have to do is say if the sentence is complete or incomplete, okay? So complete means it's a proper sentence, incomplete means it's not, okay? So that's all you need to do here. I'm just going to clear this, okay? And you can check your answers here at the bottom, okay? So the answers are, you can check your answers right over here. Okay, so that's what you need to do for this first lesson. I hope it goes well for you. If you have questions, remember your teacher is here to help, and your teacher is here to help if you have trouble finding things on the course, or if you don't understand something, even if you're not sure what you need to do, please contact your teacher, okay? You can also contact your principal, and good luck, okay? And we will see you very soon in the next lesson. Take care, bye.